Dito naman sa 3D Lotto, 4,500 pesos ang panalo ng 10 piso ninyo kapag nag-match ang 3 numbers nyo sa mapipiling winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan kung nag-Rambolito system play. Thrice daily ang 3D Lotto, that's every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. At nakapili na ng 3D Lotto winning numbers. The first number is 1. For the second number, we have 2. And the third number is 2. Muli pong ating 3D Lotto winning combination for tonight is 1, 2, and 2 in exact order. At para sa uling buhos ng papremyo ngayong gabi, ihahatid sa atin yan ng 2D Lotto Game. Two-D Lotto players, 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang panalo kapag nag-match ang 2 numbers ninyo sa ating winning combination in exact order. Kung nanalo by the Rambolito system play, 2,000 pesos ang take-home prize. To all our Lotto winners, may 1 year kayo to claim your prizes. There you have it, our 2D Lotto winning combination. For the first number, we have 3. And the second number is 4. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning numbers for the 9 p.m. draw, we have 3 and 4 in exact order.